Number 18 has 4 parts. For the first one, we are looking at the equation 2y plus x equals 6, and we want to know the slope and the y-intercept. Alright, well, if I get it into this format, slope-intercept form, there's your slope value, and there is your y-intercept. So for the given equation, I'm going to subtract the x to the other side, and then divide everything by 2. So y is going to be a negative 1/2 x plus 3. So, alright, so the slope is negative 1/2, and my y-intercept, which you should write as a coordinate, is going to be 0, 3. Okay? If it's the y-intercept, the x value is automatically 0. For part B, we're looking for the equation of a line that goes through the point 3, 2 with a y-intercept of 1, which is to say, again, 0, 1. Because if it's the y-intercept, the x value is 0. Alright, so I have given a point, given the y-intercept. So if I use this format again, so I know the intercept value, but I need the slope value. Okay, well, I'm given 2 points, so I can find that. So that's found by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And let's call this x1 y1, x2 y2. I could have labeled the coordinates the other way, but I think this will help with less sign issues, negative signs and stuff. So y2 is going to be, let's see, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 0, so that's just going to give me 1/3. So now I know the slope value, I know the intercept value, so let's just plug those in. So 1/3 x plus 1. So that's part B. Part C, the y-intercept of a line with slope of 3 that passes through the point negative 2, 1. And so the question is, what is the y-intercept? Okay. So 0, comma something is really what's being asked. So let's take out this equation, like the background noise. Let's see, here's your x, here's your y, so 1 is equal to 3x plus b, but I know x, so I plug in the x as well. So 3 times negative 2 plus b. So 1 equals negative 6 plus b. Add the 6 to the other side. So now I can write y equals 3x plus 7. Alright, so I didn't have to write the equation. I was actually done. I know the b value is 7, so my intercept is 0, 7. Alright, so now for part D. For part D, we are looking for the x-intercepts of the graphs in parts A, B, and C. Okay, well, what was the equation for A? Well, that one we were just given. Now, I could use the form that I rewrote it into, or this form. Since we're looking for the x-intercept, that means the y value is going to be 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So x is just 6, so the x-intercept here is 6, 0. Alright, let's call that dA. Part D using part A. Part D using part B. What was the equation for B? Well, I don't know. Let's go back and look. Let's see. I forgot what it was. So let me just copy and paste that down real quick. Alright, so I'm going to plug in 0 for y. I don't know about anyone else, but I don't really like fractions, so I'm going to just use a trick here. I'm going to multiply this entire equation by 3. Okay. So distributing that through the equation, 3 times 0 is 0. 1/3 of 3 is 1, so it's just 1x plus 3, and then subtract the 3 to the other side. So as a coordinate, your x-intercept is negative 3, 0. For part C, again, don't remember what that equation was. Oh, it's right here. So let's grab this equation, bring it down. So this is part D, but part C. Plug in 0 for y. Subtract the 7 over. Divide both sides by 3. So your x-intercept is negative 7/3, comma 0. And that is the last of what they're asking for in number 18.